On June 16th, on Coinbase, the cryptocurrency exchange platform had listed Polkadot's exchange token DOT among many others. So what does this mean for DOT investors? And what does this listing entail for Polkadot in the long run? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another informative video on our channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel and ding the notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Polkadot is a shared protocol that enables blockchain networks to operate together. It's an open source project and was founded by the Web3 Foundation. The protocol was created by Ethereum co-founder and first chief technology officer Gavin Wood, along with Robert Hamir and Peter Sosman. Polkadot is powered by its crypto DOT tokens, and the DOT coins have three defined purposes: governance over the network, staking, and bonding. Polkadot token holders have complete control over the protocol. Usually on other platforms, most of the privileges are exclusively made available only to miners. Polkadot, however, delegates these privileges to the relay chain participants, or DOT holders, including the management of exceptional events like protocol upgrades and bug fixes. To enable token holders to act honestly, the protocol uses the principle of game theory to incentivize them. Good actors are given rewards by this method, and bad actors will have their stakes in the network taken away. This makes sure that the network is secure. Polkadot adds new parachains by the process of bonding tokens. Outdated or useless parachains are removed by discarding bonded tokens. This is environmentally friendly as it rewards validators in proportion to the amount of holdings they have. This is known as proof-of-stake protocol. It is environmentally friendly because proof-of-stake protocols do not reward large amounts of money consumption. This is the fundamental difference between Bitcoin's blockchain and Polkadot. Bitcoin follows a protocol proof of work, and this means you have to mine its crypto tokens in order to be rewarded. This is the reason why Bitcoin sustainability is questioned. Tesla CEO Elon Musk's tweets regarding the implications of Bitcoin mining on the environment has brought up a lot of controversy. Polkadot allows you to carry out cross-blockchain transfers of any type, transfer of data or transfer of assets, and not just tokens. Connecting to Polkadot allows you to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchain affiliated with the Polkadot network. Polkadot also allows economic scalability, as it basically lets a common set of validators secure many numbers of blockchains. Polkadot has the added advantage of transactional scalability, and what this actually happens is that the transactions are then carried out across numerous parallel blockchains. Polkadot scalability is superior to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Recently, Bitcoin has processed 3 transactions per second, and Ethereum has processed 15 transactions per second. The parachains that Polkadot plans to launch later this year will be capable of processing 1 million transactions per second. This is enabled by faster processing of transactions in the parallel blockchains. The protocol also does have a feature that allows you to make your own customized blockchain using the Substrate framework. The ease of development is what enables Polkadot's network to branch out. Polkadot's protocol is a very flexible one. It can upgrade without much complications to integrate new features or bug fixes. This adaptability means that Polkadot can easily adjust to changes and upgrade itself as better technologies come to the forefront. Polkadot has a data availability and validity scheme which allows chains to interact with one another. Chains are united in their security, but they do remain independent of one another. Polkadot has a demographic governance system where all stakeholders in the network have a voice. According to the website, quote, upgrades to the network are coordinated on-chain and enacted autonomously, ensuring that Polkadot's development reflects the value of the community and avoids stagnation. These superior features of Polkadot have encouraged investors to take an interest in the network. Many investors are already shifting their focus from Bitcoin to Ethereum and towards Polkadot. Coinbase's professional trading platform has added DOT tokens, and trading began on June 16th. Usually, Coinbase adds currencies to its retail platform a few weeks after initially listing them on the Pro version. Now, DOT is among the 50 cryptocurrencies listed on the exchange platform. DOT's price rose by 19% in the just 24 hours from the announcement of its listing in Coinbase. This brought up DOT's market capitalism to about $23 billion, ranking it as the 9th largest crypto asset by valuation. Before we continue with the video real quick, we just want to note that this video is for the sole purpose of information and is not to be used as real financial advice. Before deciding whether or not to invest, we strongly recommend to conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor. Moving on, we've seen that Polkadot had hit a major low of $13.59 on May 12th. This was even before the crypto crash happened on May 19th. On May 19th, the prices were as high as $42.50 before it majorly plummeted to $28.73 in 24 hours. However, it has managed to recover substantially from this low, and it gained 77% this month. But to reach its all-time high of $50.75, it will have to more than double from its current value to be able to work. That being said, recent trends imply that the outlook is rapidly improving. Polkadot's canary network, Kusama, is actually gaining traction, and this means that it's supposed to act as a lookout for the Polkadot network. Projects that are hoping to launch blockchains on Polkadot must trial first on Kusama, so naturally, the Polkadot price pays close attention to advances at its feeder network. On June 15th, Polkadot approved Kusuma's first parachain auction. On observing the chart of DOT on the day that it was listed on Coinbase, we can observe a descending trend line on the 18th of May at $25.55. This at first seemed to be the start of a broad resistance area, which can be up to $32. If Polkadot ended up crossing that $32 level at that time, it could have easily pushed through and reached the proximity of its all-time high value. DOT's highest price in June was valued at $28.26 on the 3rd of June, and on observing last week's trend, we can see that this trend is indeed bearish. It was quite alarming to observe that even after being listed in a prominent exchange platform like Coinbase, the value went down instead of rising, as was expected and forecasted by many prominent financial review websites. The weekly charts clearly show a descending triangle pattern. This is probably tied to the drop in Bitcoin's value over the weekend. Many Bitcoin mines in China were shut down, and the threat of profitable regulatory scrutiny has strengthened. Mining of cryptocurrency in China does account for more than half of the global Bitcoin production. This has ended up creating a domino effect in the crypto space and brought down the prices of various cryptocurrencies. The bright side of this scenario is that the rising trading volumes in exchange platforms, with the drop in value, can be observed at a high rate of sell-off tokens. This is extremely beneficial for short-term traders, and it will enable short-term traders to play short-term swing trades. This is also beneficial for the values of cryptocurrencies, as the trading volume has exponentially increased and circulation is strengthened. On the 21st of June alone, the 24-hour exchange was a descending trend of 15.27%. This brought down Polkadot's market cap to $18 billion. DOT's value kicked off at $20.09 whenever the day began, and by evening, it surprisingly fell to $16.65, which was well below the support level. In the subsequent hours, the trading witnessed the investors trying to push the price back above support level. The situation looked hopeful when the price was above $18 and hit a value of $18.09. But this was short-lived as the price then fell again. Towards the end of the day, the value had dropped by almost $2, and at the time of writing this, DOT was valued at just $16.84. If the price can be brought back up to the $18 mark, hopefully there will be a consistency in its value in the coming days. We cannot, however, hope for a bull market, keeping in consideration the tremendous fall in DOT's value in the course of 1 week and even that of a day. Even in this scenario, there's a lot of scope for Polkadot. The high-speed transaction scalability of the Polkadot network has made it stand out from many other prominent ones. Its adaptability and sustainability does add the possibility that Polkadot does have a bright future. Digital coin price has forecasted an optimistic future for it. The DOT token rates are projected to grow towards the start of 2022. The prices of Polkadot in January 2022 might oscillate anywhere between $64.24 and $70.54. In 2023, the cost of one DOT could possibly achieve a high of $81.78, and for the year 2024, it is predicted to reach $90.32. Keeping this growth in mind, the price of a DOT is anticipated to hit $107.40 by 2025. So guys, that's the end of the video, and if you did enjoy this, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this, and ding that notification bell so you're always kept up to date with the latest and greatest stuff we got out there. Until next time folks, we'll see you later.